Lagos Avenue. We near Castle Namia Aduma 8 December to 14 December. We have 10% free promo discount. Back to Pollution. I'll say, oh, they for 39.40 Dibra. And I teach you Dibra. Dr. Like Dibra. NTV Studios for the Dibra.
Okay, so Ahano, yeah, offer services to set fabric, pedicure, braids. We even do pixie cut as well. Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Your chips are not left out, everyone. And complimentary to the services, we have refreshments like tea, whatever, champagne, sweet wine, and all that. No, every day, anytime. No.
Anna,
it's free. It's part of the services.
Free. Mukwana moyesa how? My idea. It's a regular salon be but also boy manager. Mukwana moyesa. Hey, I'm Mr. Hey, Just Avenue.
Land of beauty.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's a long time. You come here a long time.
Oh yeah, but I think I came the last time you were not around.
That's what about.
Oh, not really. Yes, I'm tired about her, but then the last time I remember her now only hunted. Doesn't mean time.
And that's her Frank and I. Are you looking for Frank?
Not really, but me personally can drop me or me I'm down for the whole way and see.
Well, I'm going to go.
My apartment's not medicine.
Okay.
I said, I know me pack it and tell me no be a packing woman.
Okay.
Yeah, me PM and the same warrior on yeah. But I said, more kappa, more coffee.
Oh, wow. That's the yes, if you have been telling me that's it. Would you chuck a chocolate baha, so no tin have a fan can I say? And I said, and now trying to carry my own different feeling.
Oh, there be and not to say or no tin, I mean, but I said, baby, I'm meeting a dear. Because I me pay car call I am a trim.
But so few also have a fucker.
I think I'm just fond of him, that's why.
Fun of him, okay. I wouldn't come with you to say.
No, nothing serious.
Like who he say, who on Uncle Boy and Uncle say.
Oh, he's a nice person. Like, he's a nice person. I'll say, oh.
Handsome, is he handsome?
Oh, of course, you know he's handsome.
Oh, okay.
And, you know, I think he told me self he could say now I school car and all that. But aside that,
school you could better when we and school be I who said there as a student to be our school be I do actually.
Really?
I want to the bro for crying.
Oh, yeah.
The bro for you. So what I can for.
Oh, yeah, but some make us respond.
Respond your but why in the further phone in Tina? You know.
Na Frank way.
Me coming friend. Frank. There now, who?
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. Now what am I?
And Chabia, me drew her
now. Now, I'm a friend.
Now, 1 minute.
I'm such a call. On see me, madam.
Yes, you.
But over 20 minutes now. The apartment's signature honor.
Now on chair.
Oh, blah blah blah. Some make a crime talk. I bought the food.
Oh, sir.
Oh yes, lunch. Don't worry.
I'm sure. Why? Menkwana.
Oh, why yes, I bought it for you.
You got me new to children and said, or Toma, and now besides, I won't want to say, some young colonel. So I thought you have a young one.
Sunday, I say. But also okay.
Oh, yes.
That's a much more cook or this ago.
I see you call ANC or Nami, you am the Nikon apartment.
Oh, and JP,
friend.
and then I'm Tim Friend. One is a me from.
Don't play stubborn.
Frank, also we are not enough apartment.
Meaning the okay, no crime.
Hey,
Frank, you want to? Are they?
Frank,
Are they?
Frank. Ade, what they won't run channel, Frank.
I don't know what calculus is a mengro.
Oh, me dear, me no be young and I make some
One way, listen to me.
Frank, one way, Frank.
Listen to me.
What I did bro for some days ago, Legon.
Me and her, bro. It's nothing like relationship.
It's friendship. No problem. You can just go drop it.
Why? What are you thinking?
What are you thinking? Now, what am I thinking? So also we knew.
Oh, you are thinking deep.
Pretty deep. Oh, so I can't think deep.
Why should you think deep?
Sure. Oh, my same thing. I'm thinking deep.
Oh, no. Like you can think deep, but not for me.
Now, how about tell you I'm thinking deep for you?
I mean, right now, what did they say me? Then they go apartment, go chop even
Who go chop them?
No, you they talk.
I tell you say you go chop them.
You talk me say I go.
I tell you say you did send her to apartment. Did I say you go chop them?
So what came to your mind?
Wow, bro. And I wow, doc no.
I'm a home.
I know.
So me to meet you so
Flobia. Wow, Babono.
Am I here? Didn't want to hurt you.
No be today.
You see that?
Who must answer the energy? But you are stressed.
I don't you are saying I'm saying no to see
and okay. Would it be fine?
you ready to swim me?
Now who broke around this so?
You feel swim me. Ah, you need to be careful. Who's going? Who they go? One customer will come around.
I mean, who drive no packers to sell down? It's the person your party came. What Casasa? We are the person to tell the bed.
I'm trying to say one customer account, so you let her call me.
Okay.
She's from America, so.
Frank. Also, I will to me. Someone to me. Send the wash as young getting to the who is saying getting. There's only not taste our baby shop no matter what the situation is. Or the dropping they gave you a tablet. Again. Gave you also a baby shop be as then there. But to me, Frank, to me, the no baby again because of Kobby, I'll be judged. And then you want to ask about you. Where says it? And there's on there or none as a man. And I'm sure none as a man. Now, soon you say, or none as an house with you. It would have an hour. That's all be whole by now. That'll be Kunipa, and I'm here to be whole by now. That's a young woman in that about and went to know to before. Some year be nice and young with Mika. Now, you're too funny. Station, when you're some house or to say, we're sure they fight. None of the Oakland because so. And now, how we station myself in your book. One of you what found a quite so much. And I was open. I never did them get it. Quite. So, I do my house, I'll be over here. And I'll be down. This was a Okasawa. Ah, we need to talk as I was. I hope I did the amount of minutes to quite order. Quite not now. They say, Munquay. Let's say, man, I mean, there is one hour in the door. Ah, if you're okay, what rather than I'm running Saturday. Says he, there be. Offer video. Dodgy, yeah, okay, dodgy. Yeah, we are the other night, no, my man, and you're in a say, me beg, Matty. This is my bad. You about the you said, I want one who come, Matty. Yes, I'm not American. I'm not my boss. Yes, man, who come, I want somebody. What I saw about call that long just can be telling who cried out. Why? But you cannot, you're not any Jessica. Now, I dear crime, why? Yeah, why? Okay. I come to us who fear you on the Hana. Hey, Stacy, Achoma. We are ready at some crowd. We are different, but you say that. We just have I saw my question. Who by the moment when you are doing? You don't know to fear the hammer. You are not to fear them. Now, who could be gas? Also, guess I'll be show. Who could be here? Get your other show.
Understand music. Understand music.
Who are you? And how about Obano?
No.
Now you know, I don't know. The background here, no.
Sandra.
Only no.
I mean, Sandra, I'm down for. I mean, same near down for near cry. I mean,
oh, yeah, sure.
Madam
for.
Yeah.
Woman, watch you severally. Say, Sandra, no movement now. My watch you, pa. And our new.
Daddy, calm down.
Me calm down, say. Now, only me.
But so,
how do that? And won't even can you something? It's not funny.
Daddy,
Sandra, why?
What am I down for? I mean, she's like, I mean, sister to me. If you crow back, or you different dance, a dance, be quite like. So I'm down for a metabes or no metabes. Nothing, be any. But so,
let me talk. One from me, Daddy. Now, no. As I said, no, me watch you, pa. And Sandra, no, when you woman.
Sandra, you're about meeting my date, and I mean, what is a minia? Meaning the boyfriend cry.
Only the boyfriend.
Oh, yes, of course, I know.
Oh, Patricia said, only the boyfriend.
Sandra.
Only the boyfriend.
Meaning the boyfriend, taxi driver, meaning a young guy, be taxi driver here. Meaning that casa crash, so we're going to buy my account, be so busy.
God.
Yeah, Patricia.
God.
Never.
Oh my God.
Oh, Daddy, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Oh my God. Taxi driver. Who's he? Taxi driver.
Yeah.
I
know Banan Casa. I mean, some parts of Bana.
Who's he?
Because taxi driver know the next man.
Taxi driver.
Taxi driver. Agenda not taxi.
Agenda not taxi driver. Omukocho baby now, yeah.
I'm telling you.
The canteen bees are no.
Makasa chene so.
Bush canteen,
yeah.
Omuton nam.
Men make a show.
Sir,
Fianga minimum. I don't know what is going on.
Oh my God. My Sandra?
Yeah.
My Sandra?
Mr. Intermediate, I am madam for until
I'm going to bring down the whole town. Sandra. Including boy.
I know him. Minimum the power, daddy. Minimum. And I'm in Peneso. I'm Peneso till I'm a US training.
Into one gazette, Rose.
In Patricia from Amankwa. Media and Casanco for the from Kobby. That's right. Tell me who said, Sandra, and my and we answer. That's what I say. BB ain't said any, sir. And I really love her as a sister.
Oh my God. Me pa Okoro. Mr. Okoro of East Legon.
Daddy Patricia, I owe your banner.
Who's it?
Sandra Yoba. Because my name papa, ne mammy de me name the banner papa here. In Shada in Nimono.
In fact, when now I hear him, one put down, when a Jimmy, who becomes a Sandra in banner.
Let me sorry.
Me, Sandra, me, and me, into cracky, would buy in another of them. Me and me renting a dying man. What's it? So don't come and ask me stupid questions.
I don't mean
Jimmy.
Me sorry. Maybe fee. Me name the papa into na.
What do you mean?
Are you not the father? Me nya the papa now.
The father. I am her security guard. Nonsense. Hey, taxi driver.
Sandra, papa, they call come to you. Call come to you. Bibi, very fine. Adasi, me show both.
What's that, Cassandra, papa? The book woman mouse is here. Sandra, papa, doing.
I know about.
Feel man, palm with you.
Okay. Daddy. Wait a minute, sorry, now I'm going to cut out the internet. Let me take the crap. Let me turn you up.
Understand music.
Aha, this is the station.
Station when
I make a show.
No, I somehow can wear show.
Oh, Daddy, mean to me chow truck. I Jimmy in some crap.
No.
I think so. I mean, what to a best or two. No, how come I point to what's in the street because they're costing another.
Cabin or you?
I say, I kit to be clear morning. What your back rubs will be at a
taxi driver.
Taxi driver.
My Sandra.
Daddy, do something. Do something and then
I have to do something.
Yeah. Because my son to say, you my woody, and I bet one no Obania, the old Bema Benny be a new coon. Bema Benny be a new coon. Daddy, do something.
And to me, Ben,
I didn't make a just a 2 9.
Taxi driver for no Rosu. Maybe or the BBI, my Sandra.
Because can you
Because I mean, me and my Sandra. Not say even class younger Uber driver,
yeah, it makes sense.
Bama, yes, air condition, grandpa, say it makes sense.
Yeah.
Now that's thing. Left so many.
The pure slippers. Last
Bueno.
and talk 1 minute, and that's some kid out.
Your friend say?
That's a Frank as a day. Frank, what do you who says taxi will be able to answer where she do out here?
My Sandra.
Dear Bruno, did you sound was a
My Sandra. What I train?
Mati.
I know what to do.
Mati, daddy.
With the uncle.
Daddy, Mati.
The uncle.
Any information you have daddy, just let me know. Remember, Papa na person about no guys. Mati.
So station higher.
But
Your uncle.
Mati.
With the uncle.
Mati.
The uncle. Hey Sandra. With the uncle. Hey Sandra. Into a higher one.
Let him patch your hair.
Hey Sandra. With the uncle.
That if you ever fine. When you had it, if you ever fine. Come on, 2 years. Patch 1 minute. Patch on the Frank Benjamin. Daddy, what you want?
Understand music.
Why you didn't say it's a happy see that way? Them man also won't pay be. They say, bet me to train up for Sanana. A 1 or more way in a seal, 1 or more way in it. I shall say, no, may one nail. A dear Nesta Tiana may one nail, Sebemi, would do rain in a question in Munta, would jar what the Papa Yamana show. On farm for Sodium Bro. So they say, why I would say. Oh, Susu, oh, yeah, your name may be made one, but has said, Jow bet cherry up Kakra. Still, as a why it's a ball. Hey, I'm sorry you drew so because of Bema. And my name, my mouth may entertain pump on some may to say, a dear be Bema de Jawa. Now, also know why you years I who are now in a machine. And I say any Nico and Casama. 1 minute in Casa, at least if you are now not to Onya will be our own movie on.
Nico dear, ne ho dey from you.
Into be di say ya ko si na ben. Ah, ben na wo so won pe okra na da say. Ah, oso wo pe wo no kra na de na oye ma wo. No si won pe obi em. Me de wo be jai de wo ye na ajai o. E de na ono kra de na wo hu woni mu. Eni pe wo moa o ma wo hwe onye wonsi wo ne ma onware de na oye ma wo nti a wo ja wo ase de wiase nyina ba wie no. Ah, photo. Dear singing, I mean, blame you be as a one sound. And shall see me too for Sadam for pa, and so no, about told them, when female. And I won't didn't say why you dean as a woo soon, and I am more Yaribiana, oh Yari. It's a broken heart and going to them who acts. Oh, there be, Ahuofe, them I do Jawa. Next time, be no be home, Monday, Yaman. Oh, yeah, young one who ye say, dear, and you no. Baby, I come and it's him so who are on some rubber can I be view. They say, I no crown, me many just say, Abassa. So them say, me name from shoulder. Many just say, Abassa. And so this is the time I say, Nico, on movie on a man and Cocasa. Branico, any pow, I know order kind on the buy. And so they may assure say, be no Cocasa. Or but see, I see. No, as I do be.
Sarah, Miss Cheryl. Nico dear, ne ho dey free me mo. Nti ono asem dey Confronting. Please, I am begging you. You know, say right now, you know what I'm going through right now.
What are you going through?
Say why you know it. Sisi and me Patricia Kofa Nick as a mom, but Nick dear no ho dey free me mo. Please find a way and talk to George for me. Na George Mbra. Miss Cheryl. And no penny idea bit me mama you okay right now.
And so one George Sam said the way and way machine. Ah, ya basa de be ya obetimi forget sam ko we. Adan na wo ye ho sa. Adan wo bo ho so na Amanda. Ah, taxi driver also won pew. Nyame ya adom. Nipa na me mpese wo ne ne betina no se afi de won pew bie ma. De na wo say we. You to move on. Why are you acting like obi ase onam kwa be man timi nse ne pe? Ah, why are you doing that? Oh, spare me. Akuma bang. Ede akuma. What kind of love? Odo bang. Ah, be me chunchu mo yo basa basa ofre no kwa on for no ne so ba no. Ne so ba no. Ah, be ma no so wo mpe wo biem. Ze se wo betimi akyekyere na for se na ana. Eye wa no mama we nyina asi o. Wa no mama we nyina ati ahye no me won o. Ade ne stati ala me won o se be me ya wo de wo re nyina kwa ko hye ne mu nti a wo gya wade papa wi ama na hwe.
Understand music.
How are you? I'm also good. Babe, to see how we're in a position, many son and my call.
Oh, big busu. And the only media. Big busu to doing. See, I'm at Miko Station now. Even now for George Cross, see, I'm in the free.
That Rasta.
Miss say, the one now who met him, but he's also cool. And then I think that he's very close to him. Maybe now he likes you out.
Oh, okay. They tell baby, me no better than Hannah. Kofi, let me show what you say. My tell you, I saw supporting the plan. I like that. Be promise so, man. Something big is coming. Okay? It's you just want to get up. Babe, I did have my person to catch you on the side. I don't know what is going on. Meaning you want, but then I want to do. Oh no, meaning say I'm massa, but I said the catch you. What I said.
Me make a good.
Guys, I'm mad at you anytime.
There's no imagination. I'm there for business and business to say.
Okay, that's fine. Person catch your coffee, so mama said, babe, but the shop on the mount we are. After that, now boy, now, the mountain I got. My fly, yeah. I walk out to Canada and America.
Sir?
Oh yeah.
You don't mean it.
I'm not joking. I'm a big man.
I'll be so glad.
Yeah. I'm a big man. That's it. I brought you the idea, so that's it. It's a bit. They make kind of something from Matsuaba down low level, away side in the diamond. Don't worry. I will hold you. You have everything. I mean, we be here. I did a million percent mental. Oba, maybe one is what could do my taxi driver. Can you? But yes, babe, I think this one the end of what I see. We'll be on Kobby, I mean, I put bush canteen. I mean,
oh yeah, yeah, battle. Bill, no. Yeah, call for Bill. Wahala. Kacha is on our woman. Hey, my calf. You say calf in Yasa Sash. Hey,
now we are Madame.
But he's so happy. I will say this deal by the best city. So what the new shoes okay.
This one's for you.
Yeah,
right?
that's fine.
Okay.
Oh, I'm fine.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry.
Understand music.
Hey, my Sandra. Why are you going out? Oh, Piana. Hey.
What are you doing here?
My Sandra.
Excuse me?
Why do you make me... you make me look so stupid?
Excuse you, who is your Sandra?
So I've been thinking of you and thinking how to suit your welfare and everything. I Are you saying you don't know me anymore?
Do I look like I'm not okay? Why are you here?
Well, I came here just to inform you that your car needs overhauling. You need to change your oil. Not so you break the engine down. So I came here just because I'm thinking of you.
You came all the way here to come and tell me that my car, that old tattered car you gave me. Wow. Anyway, I'm sorry I don't have time to waste. I was on my way out, as you can see. Or are you here for something? Are you here to pack your old stuffs?
This one is so... You are surprising me.
Anyway, I guess you don't have anything to say. I was on my way out, as you can see. I'll talk to you later.
Hey, Sandra. Antoine. I'm just being a gentleman. I'm just a gentleman. Zokoro. Okay. Okay.
Hello family, what's good? 3940. Guess what? NKB Studios have free access to its unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then you can subscribe. So link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis per to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis per. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Na do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to your old trend there o de koye bra o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.
Understand music.